Welcome! If you want to get iOS launcher on your SONY Xperia 1, I'm going to show you how to get it in a really easy way. So for the first, I'm going to delete this application, and also I have to delete the control center, and it will be probably right here. Yes, here it is. So click, hold and drag it to uninstall. And right now we can start. So let's go for the Play Store, and right now we have to click on the search and type here iOS launcher. And right now you have to get this launcher from the Lutin developer. Click here, tap on the install, and right now just wait a little bit. Click on the open. Tap all of 3 times. Go right here for the control center, turn off this ad. Click OK. And right now we are going to Play Store, and we have to get also the control center. So in a few moments we'll be able to use our launcher. Let's open it also. Use the switcher, go back, slide 2 times, tap here, turn off the ad, and right now click on the home button. And with this notification we have to select the iOS launcher 13, so click on it and then tap on the always. Turn off this ad also, and right now when you want to use the the control center, slide from the right side of your edge, click on the OK, use the switcher, go back and do the same. And right now we are here, and we can just manage our options from the control center. And I think that this launcher looks really cool. I hope that I'll help you guys, and if I do, remember to leave thumbs ups, comments, subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friend if it was helpful. Thank you guys again. See ya!